awesome people, welcome to this week's episode of Sew Addicts. This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly take clothing measurements. Clothing measurements are extremely important because they help us create custom designs and custom outfits that are specifically for our body type. So you can imagine how important these measurements are. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take 4 standard measurements: your waist, your bust, your hip, and length, in addition to other measurements like your shoulders, your sleeve, and even things like your highest hip point. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like what you see so far, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Sew Addicts family, and I hope to catch you at the end of this video. Our first measurement is the shoulders. The shoulders are measured by placing the tape measure on the highest point of one side of your shoulder all the way across to the highest point of the other side of the shoulder. Our next measurement is our bust. Place your tape measure around the highest points of your bust. You also want to make sure to at least be able to put your fingers through to have that extra ease and seam allowance. Next is our underbust. For this measurement, wrap your tape measure tightly under your bust. Now we have our natural waist. For the natural waist, always make sure to find where the belly button is. Now wrap your tape measure around that area. This is the natural waist. The highest hip point measurement is measured from the natural waist to the highest point of our hip. So I'm measuring from that point of my natural waist to the highest hip point. For the hip measurements, make sure to wrap the tape measure around the highest point of the hip. Now you also want to make sure to allow the tape measure to move freely up and down the hip. This is going to give us enough ease when we finally cut out our pattern. Our next measurement is the front bodice length. Place the tape measure at the base of the neck to identify how long you want your bodice to be. For the back of the bodice, place the tape measure at the base of the back neck, and then you can identify how long you want your bodice to be. For full length measurements, place the tape at your natural waist and identify how long you want your measurement to be. And lastly, for the sleeves, make sure to tilt the elbow slightly. Place the tape measure at the highest point of our shoulders, and then identify how long you want your sleeves to be. So thank you so much for joining me on another episode of Sew Addicts. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was very instructive. I mean, body measurements are extremely important. They can make or break a garment. So you can imagine how important they really are. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure to scroll down, leave me a couple of words. And if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to scroll down and hit the red subscribe button so you can be part of the Sew Addicts family. And I hope to catch you guys next week.